Imagine what Rhyl High Street could look like.
In Rhyl Town Centre, you can see the potential this community has.
Because high streets like this are and should be at the heart of our community.
And for too long, they've been under pressure.
That's why Welsh Labour has already invested hundreds of millions to regenerate towns across Wales.
Bring empty buildings back into use and back in local businesses.
But you know what? We're going to go further, giving councils more powers to shape their high streets.
Introducing new rights for communities to take control of local spaces.
Creating more opportunities for local businesses to grow.
And making sure regeneration creates real opportunities for local people.
Because this isn't just about buildings, it's about pride, it's about jobs.
And about making sure towns like Rhyl have a strong future.
That's how we rebuild our high streets.
And deliver fairness you can feel.
So on May the 7th, vote Welsh Labour to bring pride and opportunity back to our high streets in places like Rhyl.